Brooke and Josh meticulously arrange their detective tools on the sunlit lawn, ready for action. Mr. Tony bursts onto the scene, his face a mask of desperation as he frantically tries to clean his apron.
Detectives, I need your help. My award-winning pizza recipe. It's missing.
Brooke and Josh exchange a knowing glance, their eyes sparkling with excitement. Don't worry, Mr. Tony, we're on the case. Brooke and Josh enter Tony's pizza shop, looking for clues.
Footprints. They're small, like a kid's.
Look, this is where he kept the recipe. Someone knew where to look.
Brooke and Josh follow the flowery trail down the street, their footsteps echoing in the quiet pursuit. The trail curves around the corner, beckoning them into Brooklyn Park. At the playground, Brooke and Josh see a group of kids playing. A boy named Leo is walking in the park, clutching a pizza box. Leo sees Brooke and Josh and walks towards them. Brooke examines the pizza box, her suspicion slowly turning into understanding.
I didn't steal it. I just wanted to look at it. I love pizza, and Mr. Tony never lets anyone see the recipe.
Sunlight filters through the trees of Brooklyn Park as Brooke kneels, her face a mixture of concern and understanding. Leo stands before her, head hung low, his feet scuffing against the pavement. Brooke's voice softens with empathy. We believe you, but you shouldn't sneak into shops.
I was going to give it back. I even made a pizza to say sorry.
Brooke and Josh return to the pizza shop. Leo comes in shortly after. Mr. Tony listens intently to their story, his expression thoughtful. A smile spreads across Mr. Tony's face as he declares, Well, Leo, you shouldn't have taken it, but this pizza tastes exactly like mine. You've got talent. Leo beams, his face alight with happiness. Brooke and Josh smile, sharing a knowing glance.
Case closed.
Thank you, Josh and Brooke, says Mr. Tony. Maybe you just found your first apprentice, says Josh.